Hi everyone, welcome to this video demo of Edministrator. Edministrator is basically a web application that allows educational centers or educational institutes to manage their day-to-day operations. So without further ado, let's jump right into the demo. So over here you can see that I have arrived at the login page and I can log in as an admin or as a student. I'm just going to go ahead and click student. This takes me to the login page and let us just log in. So upon logging in, you can see that we have this dashboard over here, and the dashboard has various information. For example, today's date, and of course the classes in which the student has enrolled in. So we can see that Mickey over here has enrolled in a history class conducted on Monday from 10:30 to 12:30. I can also choose to leave this class if I want to. Now, on the left side panel, I can also enroll in classes. So I'm going to go ahead and click enroll. Over here, I'm able to see the classes which are available for me to enroll in and all the various details. So let us go ahead and just click on English over here and enroll. And there will be a pop-up that says enrolled, and I can go ahead and close this pop-up. Now if I go back to the dashboard, I can see that I actually have enrolled in this class. This English class actually pops up in my dashboard. And I can also leave classes, so let's click on leave class over here and successfully left. Now let us log out and go to the admin portal. So I'm going to click on admin over here and go ahead and log in. Now the admin portal is slightly different. So I also have a dashboard as I log in, and I can see today's date. I can also see classroom status. So the classroom status tells me which classroom is currently occupied and which is not. So for example, classroom 1 is currently occupied with a biology class, which I've set conveniently to take the whole day. And below this classroom status, there's actually a table that shows today's classes. And of course, we can see that the biology class is also in this table as well. Now I can also go and register, so I'll go to the left side panel and click register. This actually allows me to register students or any potential tutors that I want to keep track in my database. And I've included some validations here as well. So for example, if I don't fill in all the fields in this form and I click register, it will tell me to fill in all the fields which are required. Now let us try to register a tutor. So let's say I would like to register John Tan, for example, and I click register, and John Tan will be registered. The next function will be student management. So I'm going to go ahead on the left side and click the student management portal or student management tab, and over here I can see the list of students that are currently in my database, and I can choose to remove any of these students from my database. And if I were to click on any of the students, I can actually see that it expands to show me a table. Now, for example, David has no classes enrolled, so there will be nothing here. But if I were to click on Ronald, for example, I can see that he has enrolled in 3 classes. And actually, I can go ahead and remove him from any one of the classes over here. So let's just remove him from the physics class. And he'll be removed from the class. Right? And if I were to click on Ronald again, I can see that he's no longer in this physics class. Finally, I can also manage the classes. So I'll click on the class management tab over here. Now this takes me to a list of classes that I have currently in my database, and I can also remove any of these classes. If I were to click on the English class, for example, you can see all the students that are enrolled in this class. And likewise, I can also remove the student as well. So let me go ahead and remove Draco, and removed. And if I were to click on the English class again, I can see that Draco is no longer in this class. Now finally, I can also add classes to this database, and if I were to go ahead and click add class, I'll be brought to this form in which I can add a class. So let us go ahead and add an economics class and choose my tutor, for example, my classroom, and the day which I want to enroll this class. And I'm going to go ahead and set some timings. And create class. There you go, class added. and we can see that this economics class which we have added is added right to the bottom of this table. And that is all for this live demo. So if you require any more information, you can look at the description below, and I've also linked the source code for this project with a GitHub link as well.